The Privilege Task Automation module in Kron PAM allows administrators to streamline and secure the execution of repetitive or complex tasks across multiple servers. By automating privileged tasks, organizations can enhance operational efficiency, minimize errors, and maintain control over critical processes, all while ensuring a high level of security and accountability. To begin setting up a privileged task, the Kron PAM administrator navigates to the Privileged Task Automation menu to create a script group. This grouping allows for better organization and management of related scripts. Next, the administrator creates a script to be executed on target servers. The admin enters the script name, selects the appropriate script group, and chooses the element type, which determines the environment on which the script will run. Then, the admin inputs the script itself, which can consist of one or multiple lines, depending on the task. Variables can also be defined, allowing for customizable inputs that users will enter when executing the script. Once the script is created, a script realm needs to be defined. This realm sets permissions for specific user groups, controlling whether users can edit, delete, or execute the script. The administrator selects the relevant user groups, assigns the appropriate permissions, and saves the script realm. With the setup complete, authorized users can now execute the script on one or multiple target servers. This functionality allows for efficient and consistent task execution across environments. Finally, all executed commands and their outputs are recorded in the Logs tab. This log provides a complete audit trail of automated tasks, allowing administrators to review and verify the actions taken and ensure compliance with operational policies.